हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर रिटायर हुए. I should say कि everything is judged by the results. All those years he has worked here, we had got 95% results. So his contributions are immense. His services to the cause of education, it's extraordinary. His conduct was decent, his behavior was decent. He never hurted, humiliated anybody, any subordinate. Even during those 4 years I had experience of working with him, he never ever humiliated a peon. He always took care of the emotional health of the staff members. What happened eventually, it gave the best results possible. So we are getting nowadays admissions from private schools we usually don't use it to get, and the role is increasing, so we are happy. But the thing is that we cannot fulfill the void he has created. He was really an extraordinary boss, an artist, a singer, a decent, cool and able administrator. He will always remain in our heart, and we congratulate him on his retirement day. Yes, I would like to say that if teachers stop reading, they cease to be teachers. We have got the best opportunity to serve the unprivileged parts of our society. If we truly educate our children, these children are the bedrock on which our future depends. So it's necessary we infuse life into the dead. We encourage our students, we inspire them. The job of the teacher is not only to give content but to inspire students. So we hope, but we have got a lot of good new energetic young teachers. They are working tirelessly. We hope things will change. Thank you.
But we have got the reputation of being the institute with the best percentage in terms of pass percentage. This year we have got close to 100% in 10th and 12th despite challenge. It was because of our principal sir and because of us. Without disturbing so much time, we have got the most important couple of speeches. I would like to invite our worthy Chief Education Officer, sir, please come here. So that
सर हम बाबा साहब को ऐसा निराम रखेंगे और उनके दिखाए हुए रस्म पर चलेंगे. तो इसके बाद भी अवार्ड present them from 12th team. Please come forward to receive your prizes.
in previous 4 years, many folds, despite we lay a proper infrastructure, despite we have some issues like road and electricity, road and water, but besides that, our cohesive, coordinated and synergetic approach in this manner has brought us good results. To add cultural program to this event, to this grand function, I would like to invite Mr. Imtiaz and his party for the song. Please welcome students, all of them in great hall. Thank you, sir. We owe you a lot because you had been a great teacher to us. We remember when we were students back 2001, you completed our syllabus in zoology. It was over in September. Thank you. You have been a great teacher and now a great administrator. Boys, girls and distinguished dignitaries, we are blessed here with the presence of Muhammad Yasin Peer, ex-headmaster, religious scholar, and the father of our co-worker Iqbal sir. He has contributed a lot to he will stay there at his position. And I would like to request B.A. Malla sir from Langate to preside over there. Yasin sir, please. Muhammad Yasin Mir साहब, आपने यहाँ आकर हमारी इज्जत बढ़ाई. To come, to meet and then to depart is the saddest tale of human life. Our children are the bedrock on which our future depends. students, dignitaries, there has always been a tug of war between art and reason. Art has its own value and reason has its own value. Those mechanical, scientific-minded, reason-based, sometimes they may underestimate art, but art has got its own value. Maybe there could be some boredom. We cannot suppress the feelings and emotions of artists who have always played a great role in shaping civilizations and what they are today. Art has its own place. I would like to call here Fatima Group for a group song. Please, Fatima Group.